This winter, I'm helping you to take on the challenge of kicking the flu virus to the curb using only herbal remedies. Can you stay healthy without any meds this winter? Let's find out. Did you know that over 200 different viruses can cause the flu, but there are natural ways to defend yourself against them? Every winter, millions suffer from the flu, leading to missed work days and health complications, therefore it's crucial to find ways to protect yourself naturally. In this video, you'll learn how to kick the flu virus to the curb, using simple yet effective natural remedies. I am certain that this drink will help you prevent cold or flu, and if you get one, it will help you get over it faster. Firstly, you can catch a cold or the flu when you come into contact with viruses that infect your lungs and throat. These illnesses have some things in common, but different viruses can cause them and they have different risk factors. For example, stress, not enough sleep, poor eating habits, or other health issues can weaken your immune system. When this happens, your body has a harder time fighting off viruses, especially during the cold weather. Here's a powerful, all-natural remedy to fight off colds, flu, and seasonal bugs. Have you heard of the flu bomb? Packed with immune-boosting and anti-inflammatory ingredients, this flu bomb is easy to make at home and super effective. This flu bomb prevents you from getting a cold and flu and getting over being sick faster. For the best results, drink the flu bomb 2 to 3 times a day or at the first sign of flu symptoms. If you're feeling under the weather but haven't fully developed symptoms, this drink can act as a herbal remedy to keep you healthy. Do you have 1 clove of garlic? This incredible ingredient is known for its powerful antibacterial and antiviral properties, making it a must-have for your health. You also need 1 tablespoon of freshly grated ginger. Ginger is a popular natural remedy that soothes your throat and reduces inflammation, bringing comfort and healing. Next, 1 tablespoon of raw honey is also important because honey is a well-known natural cough suppressant and antimicrobial. It is very helpful if you have a cough. How can you make this natural remedy at home? Take the juice of 1 lemon. Lemons are high in vitamin C, which strengthens immunity. Then, use 1 pinch of cayenne pepper. This is optional, but it clears sinuses and boosts circulation. 1 cup hot water. The hot water is for you to use to blend and activate the ingredients. Crush the garlic and let it sit for 5 to 10 minutes. When you crush the garlic, it activates allicin, its key immune-boosting compound. Combine the garlic, grated ginger, lemon juice, and honey in a mug. 3. Add hot water and stir well. 4. Sprinkle a pinch of cayenne pepper if you can handle the heat. 5. Sip slowly while it's warm. The combination of vitamin C, antioxidants, and allicin helps strengthen your body's natural defenses. This drink can fight viruses and bacteria. Garlic and honey work together to kill pathogens. This drink is a natural cure that reduces inflammation. Ginger and cayenne pepper soothe inflammation in the throat and respiratory system. Boosts immunity, lemon and honey provide essential nutrients and antioxidants. Clears congestion, cayenne helps loosen mucus and improve airflow. Drink this flu bomb 2 to 3 times a day at the first sign of flu symptoms for maximum effectiveness. It's also great as a preventive natural remedy drink during flu season. As flu season sets in, many of us are looking for ways to stay healthy and fend off those dreaded sniffles, coughs, and body aches. While over-the-counter medications can help, sometimes the best remedies come straight from nature. Enter the flu bomb, a powerful, all-natural recipe that can help you fight off the flu and feel better fast. This simple yet effective concoction combines immune-boosting and anti-inflammatory ingredients to soothe your symptoms and support your body's healing process. Whether you're battling the flu, a nasty cold, or simply looking to strengthen your immune system, the flu bomb is a must-try. The magic of the flu bomb lies in its carefully chosen ingredients, each with its own health benefits. Garlic is a superfood when it comes to fighting infections. It contains a compound called allicin, which is activated when garlic is crushed. Allicin has potent antibacterial, antiviral, and antifungal properties, making it a natural warrior against colds and flu. Ginger is widely known for its ability to reduce inflammation, soothe the throat, and ease nausea. It's also packed with antioxidants that help strengthen your immune system and speed up recovery. Raw honey isn't just a natural sweetener, it's also a powerful antimicrobial agent. It can soothe a sore throat, suppress coughs, and even help kill bacteria in your system. Lemons are loaded with vitamin C, an essential nutrient for a healthy immune system. Lemon juice helps flush out toxins and provides a refreshing tang to the mix. For those who can handle a little heat, cayenne pepper can be a game changer. It helps clear sinuses, improve circulation, and gives your immune system an extra kick. Making the flu bomb at home is quick and easy, and you can use it for sinus problems, colds, sore throats, respiratory issues, and flu-like symptoms. Here's what you will need. You need 1 clove garlic, 1 tablespoon freshly grated ginger, 1 tablespoon raw honey, juice of 1 lemon, 1 pinch cayenne pepper, optional, 1 cup hot water. First, prepare the garlic. Crush the garlic clove and let it sit for 5 to 10 minutes. This step is crucial as it activates the allicin, the compound responsible for garlic's immune-boosting properties. Then, put all the ingredients in a mug. Add grated ginger, lemon juice, and honey. Stir well to mix everything together. 3. Add the hot water. Pour a cup of hot, but not boiling, water over the mixture. For optional spice, sprinkle a pinch of cayenne pepper if you like a bit of heat. 5. Stir and sip. Stir the tea well and drink it slowly while it's warm. You can also drink it in your room at a certain temperature. Many over-the-counter flu medicines contain chemicals, food dyes, and preservatives that can make your cold last longer. Instead, try the flu bomb. It works very well for me and can be used in different situations. Whether you are in the early stages of the flu or want to prevent it, the flu bomb can help. From sore throats to congestion, the flu bomb's ingredients work together to ease discomfort, promote faster healing, and boost your immune system. Unlike medications that may come with side effects, this remedy is made entirely of natural ingredients you likely already have in your kitchen, helping you stay healthy during cold and flu season. While the flu bomb is a powerful natural remedy, it's not a replacement for medical advice. If your symptoms persist or worsen, consult a healthcare professional. The flu bomb is not just a drink, it's your empowering ally in the battle against the common cold and flu this winter. Simple to make, filled with healing properties, and wonderfully soothing, this remedy can help you stay strong and healthy during flu season. So, next time you feel a scratchy throat or a sniffle coming on, skip the pharmacy run and head to your kitchen instead. Your immune system will thank you.